Okay, we've let our neck piece set up real good, so we're ready to start to round this down. We used our palm sanders to sand this all down nice and smooth, so we're in good shape there. So what we have to do is we have to get this here to fit inside the body. So I'm going to use my 2 1/8 inch ring, which is the size I need for in here. And we're going to find our center down here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Mark it that way and this way. So there's our center. So we're going to take our 2 1/8 inch ring and place it over our mark here. And once you start taking this, we got to take all this off in here to get to that circle. So when you start to, I'm going to use my 4-inch belt sander to take it down. You don't want to lose your center. So what we do, we take a punch and we mark our center so we know where that's at. Because once you start sanding it down, you'll probably lose your line in there. So this will tell us where our center is when we get down to that point. So now we're ready to start sanding that down. Thanks for watching.